My name is Jevon Perra and I love being a mortgage lender. I grew up in a real estate family and you can see me at 5 years old carrying one brick at a time trying to help out. It's more than just my history. For me, it's about caring and helping people. For the first 10 years of my adult life, I made a career helping people. It was great making a difference with nonprofits. We built roads, helped orphanages. I gave a lot of message of encouragement to people I served. I wrote some books as well at this aim. My passion has always been helping change lives for the better. And when I help a young couple get into the home that their kids will grow up in, or I help a family restructure suffocating debt so they can rebuild their life, well, it's rewarding. And I have an incredible team that makes the loan process very smooth, and we can do what no other lender can do. It's my passion that makes me a great lender, but it's not my number one passion. That's my family. My wife Carolyn and I have a little boy named Oliver. He's 2, and he's the joy of our life. This boy has brought such energy and personality to our little family. He's the biggest blessing we've ever received. And even better, we've got another little boy coming in just a couple months. We're so excited, so blessed. I guess I love my job because the home is where life begins. At least everything that's been important for me has come from the home. I'd love to be your lender too, because I'd love to be a part of your story as well.